wonderful people, Hannah here and welcome to this episode of Insta360 TV. As you've seen from that intro, we've been having some technical difficulties with our drone, but now that I've kicked it, we're probably going to have some more issues, but not to worry. Today we're going to show you how to do some unbelievable shots using our 360 mod. We have found a 5-meter selfie stick, which looks a little bit like this. Quite the weapon, 5 meters, pretty sturdy, so we're going to go throughout the day and see what kind of shots we can get. Let's make the magic happen and let's do this. So this selfie stick is made of carbon fiber. So in theory it should be pretty lightweight, which it is, but when you're trying to suspend it from a bike, it's slowly descending like this. So we've got it down here on the back of the bike seat, which is actually a perfect position for we want to get like a kind of bird's eye view top down, but we are going to need something to suspend it. So we're going to try to take this up and see if that does the trick. Do your worst. Believe it or not, but Sky isn't even an engineer. Disclaimer, before you guys start saying, it's rubbish. This is a third-party mount, this is a third-party stick, and of course the 360 mod can do no wrong. First off, we're gonna try this top-down bird's eye view and extend this to 5 meters.
Sure about this? It's gonna mess up your dress when we pull it off.
Anything for the content.
Okay.
It's from Taobao anyway. Oh, a backpack! Give me your backpack! Now I'm gonna check the footage. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so we're in the mall now, and this is when the real Mission Impossible comes in. Guards aren't too happy around here. We've shot in here before and they don't really like it. So we're gonna head up to the top floor and see if we can make some magic happen. It's 35 degrees outside, but that ain't gonna stop us. And on our quest for adventure this afternoon, I remembered that there was usually this really cool basketball court. So we came here and we've got the whole court to ourselves. So when I was looking a bit about like extra long selfie sticks, I seen some really cool basketball shots. So we are here to conquer the field today and see what kind of shots we can get. Let's play ball! in the elevator of this random building in the middle of the central business district because we want to get some rooftop shots. But this can be hard to source, so we're trying to find the stairs to take us up. On Insta360 TV, I have done some crazy things. I've jumped out of planes, but all of a sudden, I'm really scared of heights. I don't know why. Like I'm trying to get across this, but like I'm getting like vertigo. So I've left Sky over here. He's like trying to encourage me to come over, but like I don't know, like I'm getting vertigo. I've jumped out of plane, so this really shouldn't be hard. Okay guys, important life update. I managed to move from this side over to this side, and to be honest, the view is totally worth it. And I had to get the BTS of this for you guys. So yeah, we're getting the rooftop shots that we wanted. We've set up a time lapse just over here, and we've got the city as our backdrop. So what could possibly go wrong? Oh, you freaked me out. Actually, it's not that dangerous, I promise. I'm just like vertigo, you know. The day exactly how I wanted it, on the highest of highs. I hope these were convincing enough to be drone shots, but if they weren't, let me know down in the comments your best techniques for these shots, or any other scenarios that you would like to see us use this application, and we can always make another episode. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. This was a very labor intensive episode. You can see in the sweat and the pumping veins, so make sure you give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notifications, and I will see you for the next one.